Hey friends, ssms failing when you connect to SQL server. So this type error showing your window. So first of all, click here OK, and after you click OK, just open your search, and here you can type configuration. As you can see, system configuration. Just click to open system configuration. After you open system configuration, as you can see SQL server, you can see stop like this. So first of all, you need to run your SQL server. So just drag your mouse to top and just click here to play this and start running this SQL server configuration manager. As you can see, this window is appear starting services. After you starting services, back again and try again to connect your SQL server. Hopefully your ssms failing error is resolved. Now you can use your SQL server properly. So I hope this video was helpful for you. So like this video and please do subscribe my channel for more updates. So friends, yeah guys.